BricsCAD Sheet Metal allows you to create sheet metal parts using the most intuitive 3D direct modeling techniques. BricsCAD provides a LISP API for sheet metal processing to increase your productivity. You can write very powerful scripts, which to save you a lot of manual processing work. In this example, we've made a LISP script to automatically unfold sheet metal parts. Import a sheet metal design into BricsCAD Communicator. The model contains numerous sheet metal parts of a different thickness. This would require a lot of manual work to flatten every part. The script we've created can do all this automatically in one batch. Open the Load Application Files dialog and load the script file. Select a folder for the processed parts. Every part is recognized and unfolded. By checking the logs, you can see that 3 processed parts have warnings. There seems to be a problem in body 41. Then see what the exact problem is, unfold it manually. The body seems to be overlapping. Fix it by increasing the gap in between the side faces where the unfolded parts overlap. Fix the other parts the same way. "42 parts were processed automatically in under 1 minute, and only 3 needed to be checked manually. The LISP API for sheet metal is flexible to create your own scripts to automate your custom processes. You can try this major upgrade free of charge for 30 days by downloading it from www.bricsys.com. BricsCAD Sheet Metal. Intelligent sheet metal design.